Your Subaru is designed to help safely take you and your passengers along life's adventures. But unfortunately, the unpredictable can get in the way. And in case your Subaru is ever involved in an accident, there are key steps you can take to help ensure it's repaired properly. Starting with understanding your basic customer repair rights and insurance policy. First, no matter which insurance provider you have, you always have the right to choose where your Subaru is repaired. And secondly, you have the right to request that your insurer and chosen collision center agree to use only new, genuine Subaru collision parts for replacement, unless this is limited by your insurance policy. The place that repairs your Subaru can have a substantial impact on its final appearance, performance, and most importantly, its structural integrity and onboard technologies that were designed to help keep you safe in the first place. This is why we recommend having your vehicle repaired at a Subaru Certified Collision Center. Subaru Certified Collision Centers have been specially certified to offer Subaru-approved trained technicians, collision parts, tools and equipment, repair procedures, and mandatory pre- and post-repair multi-point safety inspections. These standards help ensure everything comes together the right way so that your Subaru will look, perform, and continue to help protect those you care about most, just the way it did before. You should also be aware that the type of parts used during repair can make a big difference as well. Some insurance policies may require the use of aftermarket, salvage, or reconditioned parts to lower repair costs, but these alternative parts may not have been manufactured to the same specifications, nor safety tested like your vehicle's original parts were. Only genuine Subaru collision parts are guaranteed to fit, look, and retain the protective capabilities that our engineers specified when your Subaru was first built. Genuine Subaru collision parts are also designed to help ensure the correct operation of driver assist features, like those of Subaru EyeSight. Don't assume your vehicle will be automatically repaired using new, genuine Subaru collision parts. Some insurance policies just won't cover the cost. So be sure to discuss this with your insurer before you authorize any repairs. And if you have any doubts, you can ask the Collision Center for a written itemized repair estimate before allowing any work to be done. We hope you're never involved in an accident, but in case one happens, use this information to get the repairs you deserve, so you can get back your Subaru and all the reasons you fell in love with it in the first place.